Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable match content dynamic range to auto switch between HDR and SDR. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner, go to display and sound, go down. Here you can see match content dynamic range. So right now I have enabled this option. Let me disable. Just press select button on the remote. Done. If you want to enable, again press select button on the remote. That way we can enable this option. After enabling this, TV will automatically switch between HDR and SDR based on the format of the content. You can enable this option if you want automatically switch between HDR and SDR. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.